So I'm here today at the East Somerset Railway for the Gala. There's a great roster of locomotives, a lot of beautiful trains around, but the one that's stealing the show is definitely Lady a Legend. Much anticipated, she's pulling trains up and down here, powering away up the line. So I won't talk too much, I'll just show you the footage. We've got an interview with BBC, we've got a footplate experience to go through, so let's crack on and watch the video.
I should do outside of school every day.
Good for a bite.
Oh, I take your tickets. Yeah. Sorry.
And you actually have a bit of a claim to fame in the form of your granddad.
Yes, my grandfather was very well known, John Fletcher, within the train sort of community, and he drove the Hogwarts Express, Alton Hall, in the Harry Potter films.
You're joking?
No, he was there. Although you don't see him in the film, they CGI magic wizards to drive them instead. But he did meet Hagrid, and he was very impressed with that. So yeah.
That's amazing. That is amazing. But I suppose he would have probably been very modest about that. He probably wouldn't have had that as our career highlight, would he?
No. He wrote a book. He was very impressed with that, and he had lots of stuff there. But his main highlight was getting the Duke of Gloucester up a hill at 9 mile an hour rather than 8 mile an hour, and beating a world record. So he was very impressed with that. That was his main concern moving forward.
One day off.
And I was like, yeah, okay, let's do it.
Practice it like.
Compost and we're on plastic.
Yes, you were good.
Going out to the steepest bit.